To determine if you have a regular, narrow, or D PTB arm, insert a penny into the end of the wiper arm. If it fits, you have a regular PTB arm. If it's too large, you have a narrow PTB arm. If your wiper arm has visible prongs on the side, then you have a D PTB wiper arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X truck and SUV wiper blade on a regular PTB arm. Locate the buttons on both sides of the adapter. Squeeze the buttons and flip open the cap. Next, to remove the adapter cover, hold the wiper blade with one hand. With your other hand, place your thumb under the arrow, grasp the adapter firmly, and pry the cover away. You're now ready to install the wiper blade. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. Tilt the adapter and hold against the blade. Slide into the opening of the wiper arm until you hear a click. Close the cap until it locks into place with a click. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened. Remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Now activate the blade change indicator by removing the sticker. Over time, the black dot will turn yellow when it's time to change your wiper blade. Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X truck and SUV wiper blades.